Today, I'm really excited to release version 1.16 of terrainmaker.com, and it's got a lot of kind of overdue features that I wanted to add to the app for a really long time. We've also been getting a bunch of great feedback from the users, requests for small features, tweaks, things like that. So it's a pretty big update. It's a foundational update in how you actually go through the workflow of creating the 3D printed terrain model. So I'll give you a quick overview right now, and then I'll also be posting an updated tutorial where I'll actually go through the workflow, and so you can check out all the new little bells and whistles throughout the app. So just as a quick overview for this short video, there's two major changes that have happened in the app, and they coincide and they go together. So the goal of the work here was to enable grids. So that's where you can go in and you can apply a grid on top of the map. You can select a bunch of different cells, and then that would create a number of models that you can print out individually. That would allow you to print, larger sizes. You're not constrained to resolution parameters that are kind of hard set by your terrain size and things like that. To do that, we needed to also allow for you to have multiple models that kind of exist within a project. So that's kind of the main foundational piece. And then the feature would be the grids that you can use to create those multiple models. There's a lot of interesting things that we had to work through with this update, primarily around making sure that the size and scale of the models is absolutely perfect. We've also had to work through a way for grids to be mathematically perfect and share a same lattice system, so that when you are cutting these grids, the terrain meets up perfectly where the two models kind of kiss together. So a lot of foundational work, a lot of things changed. There's been so much that's been reworked in the app just because of the foundational natures of it and how it flows through the entire kind of pipeline. There will be bugs, so report those to me when you find them. If there's things that look a little bit off or acting a little bit strange, don't worry, I'll try and hop on those as best as I can. So anyway, super excited for the launch of this app. I'm super excited for your feedback. Let me know if you like it, if you want to see something different, and we'll see you in the longer format video, which is a full walkthrough of the new workflows.